Hello everybody, my name is Daniela Rodriguez. I am 20 years old. I live in Fusagasugá, Cundinamarca. I am from bachelor student English as a foreign language and NCA Fusagasugá. With this course, I hope to continue learning new teaching methods and pedagogy to have more basics to be better at teaching students. I want to share and exchange some experience with my classmates. I hope to contribute with everybody, my mates. The best thing to have a good experience with this school for my process as a future teacher in my family and environment social. Okay, so continue. According to the course description, what could your personal goal and why complete the course and why? My objective for this school is improving my vocabulary, writing, phonetics, fluency, and my dialogues. Because as a future teacher, it must also have to correct writing. Okay, so vocabulary to have good skills as a teacher to able to solve any question to the students. Okay, and last question, number 2. What strategies will you perform to provide your writing skills during in this course? Okay, so I consider improve strategy listen to audios in English, listen to more song in English, practice more with Duolingo. I am teaching English in elementary school, and there are these practice are very enriching for me and my students. And other hands, I will start the pedagogic practice in my school. There will also to able to practice for English skills, mainly writing. Okay, so I continue. Question number 3. According to the course contents, what are the 2 topics you like the most and why? Okay, so the topic of this course are very interesting, and however, I think that the topic that are like the most is easy because the scripture is the best only to learn to clear and explore our ideas knowledge. The easy is generate allows the expression of a topic. Our which there is sufficient knowledge to make contribution. Okay, so to the development of the what has been discussed is also important to learning to write essays, but also to verify the student the jury impact. The other topic that likes is a paragraph because it is most important to learn to write them currents, to write and text, write good paragraph, requires organizing ideas that make sense and give the ideas of the paragraph. Okay, teacher, thank you my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.